Hey guys, it's April Love. I'm back to you again today, and I'm doing a video on fake eyelashes. So when it comes to makeup, I'm all about like that extra pop. Like, I'm a mascara queen and I love having fake lashes, but I will be honest, I am horrible with applying them. So it's just something I have not mastered. I'm like, I love the look of it, but to actually do it just takes some time and some patience. So I wanted to bring to you actually by e.l.f., which everyone, you typically see it like in Target. It's everywhere, even in like Ralph's now, and or what is it, Rite Aid and Walgreens and things like that in convenience stores. So the packet, which I'm gonna hold up close, it is called the Luxe Lash Starstruck Eyelashes. I've gotten e.l.f., I use a lot of e.l.f. products. I have gotten e.l.f. eyelashes before. I wasn't as crazy about them just because they looked pretty fake. I mean, obviously it's fake eyelashes, but you don't want it to look like it's really that fake. So I wanted to definitely get some more lashes that looked a lot more realistic, and I think these really do the trick, and I've worn them multiple times already. So I just wanted to take these out. They also, I don't have it in the case right now, but they come with like the little applicator tip. It looks like a pair of like plastic tweezers, and it helps you to really just grab the eyelash and touch it, so that way your fingers don't really have to touch the eyelash at all or too much. So anyway, these are the actual lashes. I'm going to put them on. Please pray for me that it's not like all the way up here. Like this side is looking like Gucci and this side is like just Walmart. So y'all pray for me, and I'm gonna come back and show you the end result, and y'all let me know in the comment box below, you know, yay or nay. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I put on the lashes. I'm gonna get up close just so you can see the end result. I'm gonna pull up, and just so y'all can see this eye. And then that's from the side, front view, and then the other eye. Ow. That one's kind of coming up a little bit, so I gotta still tweak that a little bit. But just so you guys can see how long they are. And this is like, you know, say if you're like looking right in my face, and this is how you can actually see like how long they are. Like these are super long, which I love, but also the fact like you can see that they're winged here in the corner. So even though they are like really have like a big, I mean, starstruck, that's the whole name. They definitely have like pizzazz to it. It still looks very natural. Like even the lash line, because a lot of fake lashes, sometimes the lash line can be too thick and it just gives it away. It's like, oh, that's not really yours. So it's a really good blend. So I'm like all in your eyeball, but I just want you to see, you know, up close and personal. Yeah, so you can see from here like how long they are. And then ignore that little corner. It's just been a little extra right now. Okay, so I give this definitely a yay, definitely a thumbs up. I'm so here for these lashes. They're also pretty light. I know a lot of fake lashes obviously can feel heavy, because honestly, anything's gonna feel kind of heavy if it's not your actual lashes, but these aren't too bad. So I'll probably say on a scale of 1 to 5, I'll probably give it like a 3. So which isn't bad, but these are really super dramatic lashes, and they are pretty long. So naturally they are gonna feel heavier than lashes that are shorter. So I really love these lashes. Just a couple of quick tips. Make sure that you actually put the lash on before you apply the glue. So the reason why I say that is just for good hand to eye coordination, because it's so easy, like once you put the glue on, be like, oh yeah, I know how to put it on, right? And then you go put it on, and then the glue's like sliding, the lash is sliding, and you done messed up all your makeup that you took all this time to put on. So it's like, just give yourself that extra step. I promise it will help you every time by actually putting the lash on your eye before you apply the glue. That way you get perfect placement already. And the applicator tip is a great go-to to use as well. If you don't have one, please get an eyelash applicator. It's really inexpensive, cheap. Again, with e.l.f., at least in their new collection in the black box, not the white one, they give you the applicator tip included, which I think is so helpful. So definitely keep that in mind. Also, I use white eyelash glue, but I've also used black, which I think works really well. A lot of times, like after I apply my lashes, I'll put on, you know, just black eyeliner just to help it blend into the lash line. So black eyelash glue, which they do sell, is really good too, because I mean, it already kind of saves you a step, or at least helps you, because it blends in with your actual lash line with this, well, it's black, well, at least for me anyway. So black eyelash glue is another thing. Using the applicator tip and then applying the lash before you actually put on the glue, just to make sure you have good placement. So guys, those are some good tips I think that, I mean, have worked for me greatly. This took like less than 5 minutes for me to apply, so I think that says something. So anyway, give e.l.f. eyelashes a try. Give me comments in the comment box below if you think these are yay or nay. I'm definitely yay for it, but you know, hey, whatever floats your boat. But anyway, thank you guys, and I will see you again on next time. Yes. Bye, y'all.